ONPASSIVE is full of goodness and love for humanity. ONPASSIVE is so appealing. ONPASSIVE has a state-of-the-art operational brick-and-mortar business in Hyderabad in India, consisting of over 600 of the best technical brains ever assembled by one company. ONPASSIVE has a home, based in Orlando, FL, USA. ONPASSIVE has offices in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, in the tallest building on earth, the Burj Khalifa, Singapore, and Egypt. ONPASSIVE has its own media and marketing staff. ONPASSIVE has attracted some of the most brilliant people on earth to be early adopters who saw and adopted Mr. Ash Mufareh's vision. Dubai Police has invited all police departments around the world from 230 countries for a summit. The World Police Summit is March 5th to 7th, 2024. And ONPASSIVE is the host of this with Dubai Police and other international departments. ONPASSIVE was chosen to handle this event. This is a very big event. From ONPASSIVE's COO, Mr. Kamal. Words: UAE Dubai Police chose us and want to know how they can serve us. They selected us because they have seen our work and the direction we are headed. This is a big deal. This is a very big event. Mr. Kamal and Dr. Susan had a meeting with many of the officers of the police department. UAE Dubai Police chose us and want to know how they can serve us. They selected us because they have seen our work and the direction we are headed. Look who recently joined ONPASSIVE. The words of the CEO of ONPASSIVE, Mr. Ash Mufareh. The heads we are onboarding are Einstein style, and you will meet them. Lots of PhDs and professors across the UK, California, the Gulf, Hong Kong, and the heads are really like Einstein nerds. I have to have fun with them. They are inventors and pioneers that have built companies, and now they are being onboarded to ONPASSIVE. And think, what could be the reason? ONPASSIVE is very appealing. Successful business people and entrepreneurs, older people, young people. All people regardless of race, color, gender, and many more are joining ONPASSIVE. All these people have been attracted to ONPASSIVE. Why? Because they see ONPASSIVE as different from other legitimate companies online and off the internet. They see ONPASSIVE as the company with heart, love, and compassion for all humanity. ONPASSIVE is a company being directed by a man, Mr. Ash Mufareh, who is totally into helping as many people as possible succeed when they come on the internet for products and services. ONPASSIVE's digital and AI-driven portfolio of products will take care of all of those who use its products, if they just become part of ONPASSIVE by registering as customers and affiliates. They will see ONPASSIVE as the treasure of goodness and love for humanity. From the lips of ONPASSIVE's CEO, Mr. Ash Mufareh. ONPASSIVE has been certified by a few major companies, Cisco, CompTIA, and 3 others pending, and many of you will recognize and know how powerful it means to us. We already have ICANN accreditation. There has been a major breakthrough with blockchain technology, and the company is eager to share and explain. On top of this, goodness, the commercial release worldwide of this ultrasonic AI-dominated video conferencing platform. Connect by the end of February 2024. Look out, world.